So in the previous videos, I introduced to you the past tense. The past tense is the tense that you're supposed to use in your narrative composition. So in this video, I am going to introduce to you the past perfect continuous tense. Welcome. My name is Nyarie from Sapi Academy. All right, so let's get on to it. Our topic, let's write it down. Let's go to our board. So it is the past perfect continuous tense. Now I need you to focus on the word continuous, right? Because I did explain to you that in the previous videos, I did explain that the past tense, right, has got different forms, and those forms also come in their continuous form, right? So the past perfect continuous tense. So, right, so I'm just going to give you an example of the past perfect continuous tense, right? If you want to know more about the past perfect tense, just look for other previous videos, right, where I explained how to construct the past perfect tense. All right, so now we have the past perfect tense having had, right, had, been, eating, right? Okay, so right now I know it's not yet making perfect sense, so probably let me just create a complete sentence and then I'll explain how it's together. All right, so let me just delete that for you, and then I'll come back to it. Okay, so let's create a character. Sam had been, say, okay, had been playing when the car hit him. All right? Or maybe let's use a more appropriate word. Let's say bumped into him. Okay, bumped into him. All right, so we are focusing on the past perfect continuous tense, right? So we have had, because had is the past version of have, right? And then we need been, right? Playing. So our playing is our continuous tense, right? Right. So Sam had been playing when what happened? When the car bumped him, right? So we could have Sam was bumped by a car, right? So but then we want to know what was happening when that happened, right? So it's the past perfect tense. So we say Sam had been playing, right, when the car bumped into him. Are we together? Okay, I did promise in another lesson, in another video, that I'm going to show you specifically how to construct the past participle, right? How to formulate the continuous part. So you need to learn how to do this. How do you come up with the been playing, right? So if you're interested in knowing more about that, how we create the continuous part, then keep watching for more videos, right? And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to like it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. In this video, I'm going to introduce to you the compound complex sentence. So in the previous videos, so how many of us love the narrative? Some probably do love poetry, some are like, oh no, poetry.